scientists unveil mystery of how MS genes spread. Hey everyone! If you're ready to transform your health and well-being, go ahead and smash that like button. Today, we're diving into some amazing tips that will take your quality of life to a whole new level. Don't forget to stick around until the end, because there's tons of valuable info coming your way. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now's the time. Only together can we build a healthy and informed community. Join us on this journey to become your best self. Researchers from an international team have made a groundbreaking discovery related to multiple sclerosis, MS, showing how certain genes that once protected ancient humans from animal-borne diseases are now linked to a higher risk for this neurodegenerative condition. The study involved analyzing DNA extracted from ancient teeth and bones, allowing scientists to trace the genetic history associated with MS and its geographical variations. Multiple sclerosis is significantly more prevalent in regions of northwestern Europe, like the UK and Scandinavia, compared to more southern parts of the continent. This distribution seems to be tied to genetic factors that have shifted over time from a protective role to one of increased vulnerability to the disease. With an estimated 40,000 cases in Brazil alone, mostly among young women, this study could be crucial not just for understanding the epidemiology of MS, but also for informing future treatments and interventions. The scientists point out that this new perspective could revolutionize how we understand the causes of multiple sclerosis and potentially spark the development of new therapeutic approaches. This discovery not only broadens our knowledge of MS, but also enriches our understanding of the interactions between genetics, history, and health over time. The study on MS highlights the relationship between genetics and the migration of the Yamnaya herders, revealing how historical factors can influence modern health. The research, conducted by universities in Copenhagen, Oxford, and Cambridge, identified that genes increasing the risk of developing the disease began spreading in northwestern Europe about 5,000 years ago, following the migration of these cattle herders. The Yamnaya, originating from areas that today correspond to Western Russia, Ukraine, and Kazakhstan, brought genetic variants that initially provided protection against diseases associated with the domestication of animals like sheep and cows. However, as lifestyles and diets changed over the millennia, these variants became linked to an increased risk for conditions like multiple sclerosis, especially among young white women, who account for the majority of diagnosed cases. The research involved extracting DNA from ancient human remains, enabling a detailed comparison with genetic material from hundreds of thousands of individuals currently living in the UK. Bioinformatician William Berry, one of the study's authors, expressed his surprise at the findings, which reveal not just the complexity of genetic evolution, but also the direct impacts these changes have on modern population health. This line of investigation underscores the importance of understanding the genetic history of populations to address public health issues and develop management strategies for neurological diseases like multiple sclerosis. This study examining the genetic material of ancient humans sheds light on important revelations about the evolution of diseases and the relationship between our ancestral DNA and current health conditions. Neuroscientist Lars Fugger emphasizes that multiple sclerosis isn't caused by genetic mutations, but rather by normal variations in genes that play a crucial role in the immune response to pathogens. The research also explores how advances in medicine, like vaccines and antibiotics, have altered the profile of diseases we face, increasing life expectancy but also leading to greater susceptibility to autoimmune diseases. Current treatments for multiple sclerosis aim to modulate the immune system, even though that can expose patients to a higher risk of infections. In addition to studying multiple sclerosis, the research team plans to investigate the origins of other conditions, like autism, ADHD, bipolar disorder, and depression, using DNA from ancient ancestors. The study also reveals genetic differences among European groups, linking ancestral factors to varying risks of diseases like type 2 diabetes and Alzheimer's. Finally, the research highlights significant changes in the human diet and the ability to digest dairy products, which have developed only in the last 6,000 years, making a connection between our eating habits and our genetic evolution. This info not only contributes to our understanding of the genetic basis of various diseases, but also paves the way for future investigations into human health and its interactions with genetics over time. So, what do you think about today's content? If you haven't left a like or subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Now's the perfect time to do it. Your support is crucial for us to keep bringing you hot tips and the latest info on health and wellness for you and anyone looking to live life to the fullest. Don't forget to check out our other videos, there's so much good stuff waiting for you. Until next time. And remember, taking care of your health is the best gift you can give yourself.